Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Jack of all trades and today I want to share with you how January went for me. It's a short portfolio update, so let's have a look. I will start the slideshow. So what do I want to discuss? First of all, what is my portfolio? After that, we'll look into my transactions. Then we'll look at my performance and we will end with the long-term growth perspective that I have. It's good to know that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is a personal opinion. So before you do anything, please do your own research. So what is my portfolio? It exists out of several ETFs and stocks. The first two that you see are the AEX, which is the Dutch index ETF, and the second one is the MSCI World, that is tracking the whole world. I have several different stocks that are from different countries, and I ordered them by country. I have 6 Dutch stocks because I'm from the Netherlands myself, which are Aalberts, Aegon, ASML, ASR, Basic Fit and Flow Traders. I have one German stock, that's Bayer. I have a French stock, that's LVMH. One Chinese stock, that's Alibaba. A Taiwanese stock, that's TSMC. And the last 4 are USA stocks. They are Alphabet, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway and Microsoft. At the end of January, I usually get my salary and I'll put a part of it into my portfolio. And with that, I bought 6 MSCI World ETFs and I bought 9 Alibaba stocks. Both of them were in my previous video, so have a look if you're interested. So how was my performance the last month? The total value of my portfolio went up by 5.88%. Out of that, 2.83% was caused by deposits and 3.5% was the actual profit. Here you can see per stock and per ETF what my profit was. The top one is ASML, which went up by 20% in January. And the worst one is Bayer, that went down by almost 16%. Reason that Bayer went down is because of the lawsuit that keeps going on and there doesn't seem to be any recovery. And ASML is just in general doing really well. The whole chip sector is doing well, therefore TSMC also went up by almost 14%. But also the other big tech companies were doing well. As you can see, Microsoft and also Amazon and Alphabet, they went up quite a bit. So the performance over January was quite good. Let's have a look at the last sheet. And here I want to show you how my performance has been for the last 12-13 months. As you can see from this sheet, starting in December 2022, I still had a small loss, which I recovered in January 23. And from there, I've always been green. It's actually been going up quite a lot, but back in October 23, it went down to practically zero, almost no profit. But from October, the stock market has been doing well, especially my portfolio. You can see that the green line has been going up a lot more than my deposits have. So the profit is big and I'm quite happy about that. My focus is on the long term, so that's important to realize. We're looking here month by month, but you should actually look year by year. I've not been investing for that long, so I can't make that comparison yet, but I'm happy with the performance that I see here. Well, this was a short update about January. I hope it gave you some insight. If you liked the video, then please like it. And if you want some future updates, then please subscribe. It's a small effort to you, but it will help my channel out a lot. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time.